Welcome to Pillar 5. Let's talk all things waving lotion. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to add a barrier cream all along the hairline. This will protect your client's skin. We're going to work it behind the ears and all behind the nape area. Next, we're going to go ahead and take cotton. We're going to start at the front of the hairline. We're going to move all around behind the ears and nape area. Now, this is going to protect the client's skin from any irritation in the case that solution drips down. It should not, but in the case, this will protect your client's skin. Cotton is a protection barrier, but you want to remember not to tuck in the cotton under the rods. Doing so can absorb the formula and the waving lotion from the rods, causing uneven results. And now you're ready to open your waving lotion. There's many things you can open your waving lotion with, but did you know there's a preferred method? Open your waving lotion using a pin. You're gonna puncture the top of your waving lotion, creating a perfect hole for a nice stream. Now we are going to apply our waving lotion. When we apply our waving lotion, we're going to take our time. We're gonna do it slowly, taking our time, making sure the hair is saturated with the waving lotion. If at any point there's any drip, you can use your cotton to catch some of the dripping. We are going to saturate the entire head, and then we're gonna come back a second time. On your second round of applying your waving lotion, what you want to look for is shiny hair. This is an indication of a good wave lotion application. If you see any drippage, it's time to stop. You don't want to rush this. It's important that you give the waving lotion enough time to absorb into the hair. At this point, if your cotton is saturated, you want to remove and reapply new cotton.